Maya stares at the community center flyer in her hand, her expression somewhere between annoyance and resignation. The bright letters announce Intergenerational Skills Exchange Program, and her sociology professor has made participation mandatory for extra credit she desperately needs. At 21, Maya considers herself digitally fluent, socially aware, and frankly, too busy for what she assumes will be a patronizing exercise in teaching elderly people how to use smartphones. She walks into the community center on a crisp Saturday morning, her backpack slung over one shoulder, earbuds dangling around her neck. The room smells like coffee and old books. About 15 students mill around awkwardly, along with an equal number of seniors, most of whom look as uncomfortable as Maya feels. A cheerful coordinator named Bate claps her hands together. Welcome, everyone. Today begins a beautiful journey of mutual learning. Students, you'll be teaching our senior participants about modern technology and social media. Seniors, you'll be sharing traditional skills like cooking, woodworking, sewing, gardening, and financial management the old-fashioned way. Let's do some pairing up. Maya finds herself matched with Harold, a 76-year-old retired accountant with kind eyes behind thick glasses and hands that shake slightly when he extends one toward her. His grip is surprisingly firm. I suppose you'll be teaching me about the Facebooks and the Twitters, Harold says with a self-deprecating smile. My grandchildren keep telling me I need to get with the times. Maya forces a polite smile. Sure, and what are you supposed to teach me? Well, I thought we could start with balancing a checkbook, understanding compound interest, maybe some basic tax preparation. You know, practical money management. Maya almost laughs. I have apps for all that. My phone tracks my spending automatically, and I just use online calculators for everything else. Harold nods slowly. That patient look older people get when they think young people don't understand something. Maya recognizes it immediately and feels her defenses rise. The account, but he types with 2 fingers, squinting at the screen, asking her to repeat instructions multiple times. To explain hashtags and tagging, he looks utterly bewildered. Why would I want strangers to see my photographs? He asks genuinely. Maya sighs, her patience wearing thin. It's about connection, staying relevant,